Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about modular kitchen design ideas. Whether you are remodeling your kitchen or just looking for some design inspiration, you are in the right place. We have gathered photos of our favorite kitchen projects to help make your space more functional and appealing. So, whether you are cooking up a storm or simply enjoying a cup of tea, we know you will love these kitchen design ideas. You can try at home. While designing your kitchen and choosing the right cabinetry, the first thing you need to consider is the layout. Designing a kitchen is extremely subjective. A layout that might be ideal for one can be tragic for another, mainly because of the taste, working styles and lifestyle that is different. Hence, choose a kitchen layout based on your everyday requirements and tastes. Now that you know what a kitchen layout is and how important it is in designing a kitchen, let's learn a little more about the different types of kitchen layouts you can choose from. First of all, L-shaped kitchen design. In L-shaped kitchen design layout, there are two rows of cabinet walls that are perpendicular to one another, which form the shape of letter L. It is one of the most useful kitchen layouts for modern homes. It offers a smooth and efficient workspace. This layout lets the appliances and cabinetry be placed along right-angled walls with free space in the center so you can move around while cooking. An L-shaped kitchen works only if your kitchen is square-shaped. If you have a small or rectangular-shaped kitchen, this layout can work well provided it is not too narrow. U-shaped kitchen design. A U-shaped kitchen is an excellent choice for any type of kitchen. It refers to a layout where the counter runs along three sides of kitchen, creating the shape of the alphabet U. It's versatile and suitable for every kitchen, be it big or small, as it can be planned to make sure that all the essential appliances are within a comfortable reach of each other. A U-shaped kitchen layout is also an excellent choice for large kitchens with enough width. If you live in a joint family where multiple cooks prepare meals at the same time, this kitchen layout will offer a great deal of counter space. The kitchen cabinetry in a U-shaped kitchen layout typically comprises wall-mounted cabinets fixed along all three sides with the base and other additional units if you require more storage. Parallel kitchen. A parallel kitchen design is a classic layout with a narrow space with two walls on either side with a passageway between them. A parallel kitchen is ideal for small-sized homes or a small family with a single person using the kitchen. This layout is designed with base and wall cabinets on either side. It is a simple layout that compromises the space for corner cabinets. Straight kitchen design. A straight kitchen design layout works well for the tiniest kitchen out there. It takes up only a single wall, leaving some space to walk around.